How's it, folks, and welcome back to LAAIPLEK. In fact, welcome back to the harbour right here at Velddrif. A very peaceful and remarkable place. I mean, it's flat, yes, but certainly not without features. Totally relaxing spot to be. This evening, watching the sunset, enjoying the fishermen, watching them coming and going. Yeah, please feel free to come and have a look. Enjoy the ride. From Cape Town here, under 3 hours, and a pleasant journey all the way because the roads are pretty easy. There's no potholes at all on my route up here. We had a pleasant stay here at Sunset Villas, which we found on Airbnb. Zoom in under a blood red sky. My apologies for the background noise of the breeze there. It wasn't that windy, however I didn't have my external microphone plugged in. It is a GoPro and it's got good noise reduction, but that I will have to improve next time. Fishermen going out to fetch their fish. Coming back with a full load from wherever they're going. They're coming back with more. There's always fish on board. Zoom into that. They're in a hurry. It was great fun watching these chaps going in and out. You can see one coming and one going. How far exactly they're going I couldn't work out, but there must be a ship full of fish somewhere up ahead and they're going out to fetch them. As they come in, I'll zoom in and you'll be able to see their catch, their loot on board. It seems to be quite a lucrative career. I'm not very sure exactly how much these chaps were able to enjoy the sunset since their job is just getting back to the harbour. But for my money, what a perfect surrounding, what a perfect environment to work in. I mean, again, this blood red sky was so impressive. It can hardly be explained, even using this media. I mean, a camera only tells half the story. But the thing that is of greater value to me, and perhaps to you when you get here and you have a look around, is once again, as I always emphasize in my videos, the space and freedom of movement here. I mean, you can walk for miles along the beach completely unharassed. There's no one around. There's just no shops, no noise, no vehicles on the, hardly any vehicles on the road, which is always a great relief. It's nice. I mean, oh, there we are. There he comes. He's coming into the harbour now, into the port. Let's see if we can zoom in. And there they are. Sardines and harders, I believe. Sardines we know, we're familiar with those, but harder? What is that to you foreigners? There's a long Latin name, but I'm not going to try that one. But otherwise you would know them as red lip mullet and a muggalit fish. Make sense of that? I don't know, but you fishermen would know better than me. Maybe anyone in the description would like to carry on my explanation. You're welcome. To all the developers out there, we do not encourage you to keep expanding. However, you can see what is under development right now and what we can expect in the future. This is a growing town. It's one of those getaway towns, one to flee to if you're tired of the traffic and noise and crowds. The pace is slowed right down here. Coming back to the villa down below, you'll see now the parking space for the restaurant just below us.